Yeah, so let's have a walkthrough with the inventory management system in Sirex. So let's go on to the inventory. Now in inventory we have two options, warehouse and sites. The warehouse contains all the stock in the warehouse contains all the things which you have. In sites the quantity is shown based upon different site wise. Now here we have categorized our equipments based upon two things, equipments and materials. Equipments has different categories. Let's say a general category where we can have axe, drill machines and grinders and all. Now this is something which is created based upon the user. If we want to change it, we have an option of catalog. We can just open the catalog. We have equipment, materials and rentals. We can just add based upon our need. So let's say if we want to add any material, let's say material 1, and the unit of that material is kg, and we had added. So the new material 1 has been added, and when we will go into the material section, we'll see that the material 1 is 0. No quantity has been added into warehouse. In sites we have to select the site. The same options, equipment, materials and rentals. Now rentals are something, let's say if we have rented any equipments like jcbs, different hydras and needed, so that portion is covered into rentals. In materials we had added material 1, but the quantity is 0. So let's have a walkthrough of how to add the quantity or how to add the material into either warehouse or sites. For that we need to go on to the inventory purchase section. Now in more we have an option of inventory purchase. Yeah, so here we'll click on purchase. We have material equipment. We will add all the equipments and materials which are needed. Let's say right now we just buy the material 1. The first column is the quantity, let's say 100 quantities, and per unit price is 250. So we have 25,000. We have to select a vendor. From here. We can add a new vendor from the below button as well. Let's say we take this new vendor. We are purchasing this material 1 from new vendor. The purchase date is this, and we have an option to add the tax as well. Let's say 18% tax has been added into this. And okay, so now we have two options. We will update the inventory on which site, so either ISKCON or Zudio. So we are transferring this inventory to the ISKCON site. Let's hit save. Okay, so the purchase has been recorded. Now when we can click on orders and we can see this has been purchased. Now let's go on to the inventory, sites and ISKCON materials. We will see that the materials has been present here and the quantity has been updated. Now let's explore the concept of transfer. Now let's say if any other material is required on different sites, we have an option of transfer as well. Just click on transfer. We have Zudio and we have warehouse. Let's say the site is finished and we have some of the materials left. We can either transfer that to warehouse or to Zudio. Let's say we transfer 50 of them to this Zudio site. Okay, so the quantity on ISKCON site has been updated. Let's go back to Zudio materials and we'll see that the 50 has been there. Now let's say the Zudio site has been finished and we want to transfer the remaining inventory of 50 back to the warehouse. Okay, so the material 1 on this particular site will be 0, and when we'll click on inventory and warehouse in materials, we'll see that the quantity has been updated to 50. Now this will work. The process is similar for the equipment as well. The transfer thing also works. We have an option to transfer anything from the warehouse to any site as well, so that also the user can do.